students. In today's episode we will learn how to get different types of sprites. We will also see how you can upload your own sprite by drawing the sprite. For that, let us open Pictoblocks. We have our project here. One sprite is Toby here. I'm trying to input a new sprite now. So I'm going to the second option that you see in the menu bar with a bear and a plus sign. Now this is the library from where you can choose different sprites. There are plenty number of sprites present here with a different variety. For example, there is animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, etc. So as per the requirement, you can select the type of sprite you need in your project. For now, I have taken Hazel to be my new sprite. Now for every sprite, there is costume also along with the sprite that you choose. In order to see the different types of costumes available, you just have to tap twice on the menu bar where you see the sprite, below which you will see a pencil. Click on that pencil and there you get the parameters, and the next tab besides parameters is the costume. So if you notice, the sprite Hazel has more 3 different types of costumes along with it. For example, you have Hazel standing, you have Hazel walking. These are the different costumes for the sprite. Similarly, you can choose to have your own sprite. Next, for that again I am going to the new sprite option. Towards the bottom right in the circle, purple circle, you will find an embedded brush. Click on that and you will be taken to a new interface wherein you can draw your own sprite. So I am drawing a square. I will draw a circle. Let me reduce the size of the square. Use the select tool to select. Again, I am drawing the hands. I can just copy paste the same. Again, select, use the select button here. Click on copy, click on paste. And then you just drag it and place it on the other side. So both the hands are ready. Similarly, you can draw the legs. Copy, select it, copy, paste, and the second leg is ready. Now I can draw the eyes. Select it, copy, paste the second eye. So let us first place them. Right? So if you want, you can draw another circle here, small one, to represent a mouth. Right? So my sprite is ready now. I will use this as a new sprite in my project. Now I can assign different costumes to my own sprite as well, just like how we had for the inbuilt sprites from the library that we chose. And how do we do that? Select the sprite that you want to change the costume for. Click on the icon that shows your sprite and click on duplicate. So you will have a duplicate copy of the same sprite here. Now down in the leftmost bottom left, you will find the second option as you can edit the existing sprite that you had chosen. So choose that option and now you can change it. See, now I am changing the orientation of the hand. So that is my second costume wherein there is a hand movement shown. Again I will duplicate the first sprite to create my third costume. In this sprite, what I am going to change is, again I am choosing the second option, the bottom left second option, wherein I can edit the sprite that I had chosen. I will show as if the hand is bending down, and also the leg, I will show that leg is moving, right? So this is the third costume that I have changed, right? If you want to change the name of the sprite, you can change the names right here. See, now this was the first sprite. Go to the parameters, sprite and sprite name is given here. Over there you change the name of the sprite. I could say boy with hand raised, right? For the next costume, again go to parameters and change the name from boy dancing. From the hand raised to boy dancing I am changing, right? So these are the three different costumes that we have created. Going back to our code, it is asking me to save my file, so click on the option where it is showing me cache. If you do not give a proper name to your file, it will always give it as a cached file. That is the default name that is given. So let us say boy dancing and save the file. So now we have seen how to upload the sprite from the existing library, how to create our own sprite using the clipboard. Now we will see how to make the sprite walk. For that I will go to motion, move 10 steps. I will use the next block, which is switch costume to costume 1 is there, costume 2 is there, costume 3 is there. So for the first one I will say costume 1, then again I will go to motion, move 10 steps, switch costume to costume 2, and then I will duplicate this and say costume 3. Let us run. Now if you notice, you will not find any change that you could notice clearly. That is because the change is happening very fast. So we need to put a wait after every change in costume. Right? So let's see now. See, if you notice, now you will see that first the hand will be tilted, then it is the leg is tilted, right? Apart from this, if you go back to the sprite option, there is another option besides the drawing, right? Or at the bottom right you will find the last option as a bracket open and an arrow pointing upwards. If you click on that, you can upload your picture to be the sprite. So there are three different options that we have seen. One is you can choose the sprite from the existing library. Second is you can draw your own sprite. And the third option is you can upload your own image, your own photo or any other pictures from your gallery to be the new sprite. I hope you all have liked the video. Thank you.